Today we're going to cook a pig on the spit. So we're going to start off by preparing the pig ready to go on the spit. It's a nice sized pig for spit roasting. He's about 54 kilos in weight. It's a beautiful size and it's getting ready. So start off here. Just going to nip his trotters off. Right on the knuckle. And then these sections here, I'm just going to cut a piece out, like so. And then afterwards, when the leg goes in the triangle, that will grab the triangle and really hold the legs in position. It will stop the leg coming out of the triangle. Same on the inside. And don't be shy, you want a nice good piece, cut it out. Same on the other side. And same on the other side. With the belly, there's no real use to have the belly, and when he's turning it will flap around and just get in your way in general. So cut him off, and again, don't be shy. Got plenty off, cut him right back. Really open him up. And set on the other side. Perfect. Well, nicely opened up. You've got rid of most of that loose stuff. Won't flap around. His back legs, just cut in behind the back leg there, up and around, get right into that joint, and all the way around. Then same as on the front legs, we're going to cut a nice piece back so that leg can go right into the triangle. There's nothing in the way. Again, cut plenty off. You want these legs right into the triangle so they don't come off when you're cooking. Leg all ready to go right into that triangle. And same on the other side. Right into that bit there. Follow the joint round. Really get right in there. Off. And then same again, cut this right back, plenty away. And same on the inside. Today we're going to cook him without the head on, so we're going to remove the head. The last guide we did, we left the head on, so this time we'll do it for you with no head. So, you want to cut the head off right up at the top here, right just in front of his legs. Cut him right down, fold the cut round, all the way around, cut him right into the neck there. And round. And just give a quick twist and just tug it off. And that's it done. And we finished that bit. Some people will cook that then, maybe present it on a platter next to the pig.